Hey guys, just download Windows 11. If you want download, you can download from the Windows update, or you can download from Chrome or any kind of browser. Just go to your browser and type download Windows 11, and you get the and click on the first result, and you get to this page. Over here you can see this is official for Microsoft Store, and choose first option, Windows 11 installation assistant. It is the one you want, and download now. After you download it, you get a setup. After you install the setup, you will download Windows 11 and it's installed. Install will take few minutes. I will do a video about the features of Windows 11 soon. Right, accept and install. I see you guys after download complete. Hello, just downloaded Windows 11. Now I'm going to restart. Alright, Windows 7 downloaded. All my files seems to be here. There we go. This is new. Let's see settings. Oh, this is nice. For guys, here, this over here you can see the notification area icons. I'll put another video about the features of Windows 11. Till then, goodbye.